We're hooked up again. Nice striper on there, Sil. Guarantee that.
There we go.
Nice 10-pounder.
Nice 10.
Might go 15. Don't lose that bullhead. Go ahead and net that fish for him, Pirate.
Got
I'll get
doubles.
this. Out here in San Pablo Bay. Me and Uncle Sil, the
Here
plumber.
we go. Here we go.
This is how we're doing it. Let me
Give me the net. Give me the net.
help him out on his fish, and then I'll get my fish. Bam.
There we go.
There's one.
Now we're catching.
There's one.
That's one.
And here comes number 2. Might be a shark. Could be a big striper.
Hey, who took my pole out of the water? Oh, you guys are cheating, man.
This is light tackle, 12-pound test. And I think I might have a big shark on here. Or it could be the 40-pounder I've been after.
Well, that's what it was, man. When I caught that one I caught,
Okay, net's clear.
that 30-pounder.
I've been fighting this fish for about 15 minutes. And we're gonna see what it is. It's a shark, I think. It's a nice size. Oh, it's a big bass.
Big bass. Come on, Count T.
It's a big
Here we go,
bass.
T. Bring this one
This is
in.
the one I've been wanting all season, you
Is
guys.
it a big bass?
Yeah. I'm happy I could share this with you guys. So, this is the biggest striper I ever caught. Big striper. Woo!
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Pick him up. He's under the boat right now.
That's a 30-pounder, you guys. There's a 30-pounder right there.
Come on, T.
He wants to stay away from that boat. I mean, yeah, he wants to get away from it.
12-pound test. You guys should come out and fish with me. You hear that line singing? It's my favorite song. This is a good fish. This is the best one I got all year. I think the best one I got ever.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, yeah. Bring him up. Bring him up. Bring him up. A little higher. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
We got one.
oh man.
Frickin' net.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
that's what a shark looks like, huh?
Oh, yeah, baby. We're fishing now.
Woo! Dang.
That is the one.
Yeah.
Get that scale out.
That's the biggest one I ever got in my life right there. Oh yeah. George, I got a 30-pounder. Hey man, I'm hella glad you could be here. This is the biggest striper I ever got. Oh hell yeah.
Oh, that's 25 plus.
Oh hell yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
That's a fatty right there, you guys.
Bend the frickin' net.
That's the one right there. Go 25, 30 pounds.
See if we get him in.
You in the water here?
Yeah, you getting the fish on there?
No, something's pulling our lines.
It's the current.
Come on, baby.
I got Sil hooked up. Got my good buddy George Pete in the background.
Oh, he's
You got another toad on there is what you got. You got another 20-pounder.
Nah, it's a big crab.
It's a big crab. We got Sil the plumber hooked up.
It's a big crab, buddy.
159.
Come on, baby.
Just take your time with that fish, dude.
He's going that side.
Because you are 12-pound
There
test.
he goes. Come on.
And we're not in a hurry. We want twin 30-pounders today. Come over. Just keep an eye on those lines.
I can't see this line.
That's off to the left.
This
You're
line-
okay.
This line is right over
All
here.
right, thank you.
Yep, you're doing fine, just fine, as Uncle Keith would say.
You should be a
I'm
line.
splitting the lines right now.
You
I
are-
can't see this one.
You are
Yeah,
doing
yeah,
perfect,
let me
Sil.
reel- let me reel
No,
this in.
all right, we'll get a fresh bullhead on there anyway. Not in a hurry. Over the top. There you go.
Now I'm tapping yours.
Okay, you're under then. You're under.
I'm under.
That's a fatty. That's a short little fatty, huh?
I'll tell you what, this little fish is fighting.
That's a good fish.
That's an eater. That's a 12, 15. We'll take it.
Thank you.
That's a 12, 10. That's a 10. Tell you what, he was fighting better than he was.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah,
There we go.
sure is.
Period.
We'll take it.
Sure is a nice fish. Anything with stripes on them is nice right now.
I know.
Believe that. You wanna grab that fish?
Oh man.
That's bigger than the last one I caught.
It's a fat fish.
Yeah, he's thick. It's all right.
They're coming off. George got a nice one. Yeah.
Right next to you.
Yeah, long cast away. He's fishing shallower. We're fishing deeper.
It's out.
I'm getting a fish. Hold on. Hold on. Grab this camera. Grab this camera. Stand back.
Got it. We videoing?
Yep.
All right.
We on.
He got him.
I got him.
Tony got him. Tony got him. Let Anthony do it.
I got the hit team with me today. Got the hit squad. We got Pirate Mike, Sil the plumber.
Yeah, but Pilot Mike's messed up. You gotta cut up bullhead. You gotta give me another bullhead.
Get him.
Yeah.
Let's get your boy. Get this fish first, Sil.
That's
Reel it up, Mike.
Go ahead and get that one when he starts going.
what, there's a fish on it?
It started going. Pay attention to it. Yeah, this is fall striper fishing on the San Pablo, you guys. At its finest. This fish will go 10 pounds.
Quantity, not quality.
We're going for quality now.
Yeah,
This isn't that big.
Oh, you got the net. He got
it's a good
the net.
fish.
He got the net.
We got George and
Double
Gwen.
hookup.
I got Sil on a fish.
There's a little guy.
Still, these are decent fish. If 30-inch stripers are little to you now, Sil, you're getting spoiled.
These are 27, 28. Oh, he's gonna go. Come on, baby, go. There you go.
I thought you said he
Is he taking line?
Yeah, he's going.
I thought you said he was little.
Yeah, these are all quality fish. There's no baby stuff out here right now.
Come on, shake your head. Come on.
There you go.
The fish that you took home, was he clean inside and out?
Oh yeah. Blade. They're in brine right now. They're gonna get smoked up tomorrow.
How many you take?
Huh?
How many you take?
For the law?
You took the two, huh?
You're gonna
Oh,
get
look at
Mike, you get some smoked fishes.
Smoke?
Yeah, smoke.
I never ate them.
Come here, you want a fish?
I
Come
ate
here,
them.
Mike, fight this one.
Shake
Wait a minute, man. I'm stuck. Fuck, here I got
I got it.
rods here. Let's see.
There you go, you guys. Double hookup.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
There you go. That's how you guys are supposed to fight fish. This is help you fish.
He's pulling. This guy's pulling. What do you got?
That's how we do
What do
it.
you got there? Is that your rod? Tony?
This guy.
I got one going too. Stay under.
Yeah, I'm under.
Where are you at? Oh, you're over.
I'm over it.
Yeah.
Let him go.
He's going.
I got these old guys working. That's how we do it.
It's gonna be at my nap time when I get this.
Fatty Mike. Oh yeah. You.
Is he a giant?
Look at this one. Come over the top of this rod to your right, Mike. There you go. Have a seat. Quick, Sil, quick. Back here, grab the camera. There you go. Damn.
He swallowed it up.
Oh yeah. Pull him, steer him to the right, to the side of the boat.
Yeah.
Steer him to the side of the boat, please.
Yeah, I'll get him.
Steer him to the side, low and to the side,
I'll get him.
low and to the side.
I will.
Okay, okay.
I will when he gets in here.
There you go. Just keep the rod like that. Perfect. There you go.
I can't wet him.
That's all right.
He wants to go again.
I think there's a fish on this rod too.
Yeah. We'll wait.
All right.
He's being patient.
To the side, low and to the side, low and to the side. Perfect. Little at a time, just a little bit at a time. Low and to the side, little at a time. Little more. Now go. 2 inches at a time.
I can't.
There you go. 2-inch pumps at a time.
This shit ain't coming in.
There you go. Little bit, little bit.
He ain't ready yet.
You don't want to commit it, man.
There you go. Here, reel.
Reel. Down
Just
and
a
reel.
little bit of a pull. A little pull and a reel. Go. Here it comes.
Go.
Oh, it's okay. Here it comes.
Almost
Leader.
there.
I got leader. Let's go.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Keep going.
There you
Mike,
go.
Go, Mike.
Another quality fish.
He'll go probably 15 pounds.
That's all?
Yep.
Tell you the current.
Still got my pole there. Look at the big pole.
Got fish on there?
I don't know. I just touched your reel just for a second. Get out of the way.
He could also be wrapped on my line. I'm not sure. I don't think so.
What's the pole, man?
It's okay. Let him go. That's how they do it right there, you guys. That's how we do it. Double, triple hookups. Big, fat, huge stripers out here. Bam! Sil, get this dang fish.
All right.
All right, you're gonna be the net man. Mike just got his 15-pounder. And I got one on here as we were fighting that one. So, if you guys don't believe, there's something wrong with you. Subscribe. This is Help You Fish. Come out. Get you on a hell of a fishing trip. That little fish kicked your butt, Mike.
Oh, I know it.
You okay?
They open their
You know
mouth.
what I think it is? It's the damn current.
No, the current is definitely a factor.
But he did
But these are good fish too,
No,
man.
these are
did
quality fish.
whatever he
Quality
wanted
fish.
to do. No, he didn't.
George is hooked up again. We're out here killing them. Every fall, helpyoufish.net, give me a call. Or Hooked Up Sport Fishing. It's HOOKD. We'll get you on a trip to remember.
Got another 15 pounder.
Oh yeah, he'll go 15. He might even go bigger. But I know he's 15. This is gonna conclude our limit.
Is it?
Yep, this is a good fish. That chicken pretty good.
Hey man, hold it. Hang in there, buddy. I'll get you free in a minute. Ah.
Oh yeah. You think that's a good fish, Uncle Sil?
Oh, I'm thinking you're doing just fine there, Anthony. Fall stripers, that's what it's about.
This is a big fish. This is a 1225 8/6 salmon rod on 12-pound test. And he's a toad. Another toad. I got another 20-pounder. Oh, look at that mouth coming to the boat, Sil. Come back here.
Yeah, in the net.
Look at him coming to the boat. Get him on camera. Look at that striper coming to the boat. Bigger than a 5-gallon bucket. Oh yeah. There's nothing to it. That's how you do it. Yeah.
Yep. Not ready.
He's coming right now. Here we go.
Lift his head.
All right.
That's another good fish.
Oh yeah.
You got the pair of the big dogs today.
I got the twins today, 20-pound twins.
Whoa, man.
You got a good one on there, Sil. Yeah. You're over the top of Mike, just so you know. Oh, you could probably leave it. Just fight him to the right.
Stay, Mike. It's all right.
Yeah. You're good right there, Mike. All right.
Nah, I'll get out of
You're all right. You're all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but by the time you got him in here and you want to net him and shit.
Not all these fish need a net, though.
Except for yours.
Yeah, if they're big, they need the net. Other than that, they don't really need the net.
Unless you want to cut your finger up. That looks like fish over there. The yellow boat. He said he's seen you out here fishing a couple of times.
Spying on me.
Yeah, it's fine. But he's out here every day.
Yeah, whatever.
Well, he's the guy that told me he's catching 15 pounders in the river.
Just letting him come in. We got enough current here where with his mouth being open, it's
Pulling in a cinder block. It's a good fish too, though, man. It's not a baby. Look at that. That's 15-pounder.
Another 15 pounder.
Another 15-pounder coming aboard. It might go 18. Want to take some steps back to the front of the boat. Just kind of walk them up the side here. Yep, walk them up the side. There he is. There he is right there, you guys. Still got his 15 pounder. Oh. Man, you gonna catch that fish anytime soon or what?
I don't think so. You don't want to come in, man. I'll tell you that.
That's a good one.
He feels small. The way he bounces his head.
Yeah, drag might be set.
Yeah, that's trouble. Every time you do that, that's trouble. See? He just pulls harder.
That's a good fish.
Yeah, he'll come in. He'll wear himself out.
That's all. It's just a good fish.
That's part of fishing too. Playing the fish is more fun than dragging them in.
Yeah.
Come out here with these big old thick bay poles and drag them in.
That's why we're using light tackle, you guys.
Get that minnow in here, Mike.
I'll bet you that's a 15, 20 pounder, Mike.
Think
There
so?
he is.
Yeah. Okay.
See what he looks like.
Over here. 10 pounder.
Here, give me the pole. I'm gonna drag it back to you.
Got him.
Another nice fish.
Good job, Pirate
You
Mike.
think